Deleting a Freecash account removes your access to the platform, so you should complete any pending withdrawals or check your balance before starting the process. By the end, you'll know how to delete a Freecash account, what to check before removing it, and what to do if you cannot find the deletion option. The first step is opening your Freecash account and checking your profile or account settings. Look for an option related to account management, privacy, or account deletion. If you do not see a direct delete option, check the Freecash help section or contact support through the platform. Before deleting your account, review your balance and withdrawal status. Any unfinished activity, pending rewards, or account issues should be handled before closing your account. If you have a remaining balance, check whether you can withdraw it before requesting deletion. Closing an account before resolving payment issues may make it harder to access your account information later. You should also save any information you may need, such as transaction records or screenshots of important account details. When you request account deletion, provide the information Freecash support needs to identify your account. This usually includes the email connected to your Freecash account and a clear request to remove the account. Avoid creating multiple accounts after deletion unless Freecash allows it. Using multiple accounts can create account problems if the platform has restrictions. If you change your mind after requesting deletion, contact Freecash support as soon as possible. The ability to restore an account can depend on the status of the deletion request. If you are deleting Freecash because of notifications, verification issues, or withdrawal problems, try fixing those issues first. Account deletion removes access, but it does not solve problems connected to account settings or payment verification. The main steps are simple. Check your balance, open account settings, request deletion through the available option, and contact Freecash support if you need help. Before removing your account permanently, make sure you no longer need access to your earnings history or account information. Subscribe for more Freecash guides, app troubleshooting, and account help videos, and like the video if this helped you close your account successfully.